Another quick update. Here's the dash. I put the edge on it, finished it up, so that's done. That's done. I gotta take the paint off, and here's the stuff here. There was a hole there and a hole there and a hole right there. That's been filled, and this is the part that was all rusted out here. So that's it. It looks all, the grinding is not all nice and neat. I'm gonna put a coating, thick a paint or something on the inside, I think, to clean it up a bit. And anyway, so what's next, eh? Maybe I'll go in the house and decide that. Have another coffee. That's it for now. Oh yeah, I guess I should do the date. What's the date today? January 1st, and it's 3:25, pretty much. Okay, that's it for now.